Introducing the Duraflame electric log set heater, a revolutionary heating solution that combines elegance, convenience, and efficiency. This remarkable electric log set heater brings the cozy charm of a fireplace to your home without the mess and maintenance associated with traditional fireplaces. With its realistic flame effect, adjustable thermostat, and user-friendly remote control, it offers a warm and inviting atmosphere for any occasion. Join us as we delve into the details of this innovative heater, designed to provide supplemental zone heating, all while being environmentally friendly and easy to use. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Efficient zone heating. This electric log set heater boasts a powerful 4,600 BTU heater that provides supplemental zone heating for spaces of up to 400 square feet. This feature is a game changer when it comes to saving on heating costs during the colder months. It effectively warms up your living space, allowing you to reduce your reliance on central heating systems and potentially lower your energy bills. Number 2. Mess-free fireplace experience. One of the most significant advantages of this electric log set heater is that it eliminates the hassle and mess associated with traditional firewood. By placing this electric log set heater in your existing fireplace, you can enjoy the cozy ambience of a fire without the need for firewood, kindling, or cleaning up ashes and soot. Number 3. Realistic flame effect. This electric log set heater takes realism to the next level with its authentic-looking log set and ember bed. When activated, it projects rolling flames onto the back of your existing fireplace, creating a mesmerizing and lifelike fire effect. Whether you choose to use the heat or not, the flame effect can be enjoyed year-round, adding a touch of elegance to your living space. Number 4. Temperature control. Customize your comfort with the adjustable thermostat feature. You have the freedom to set the temperature to your desired level, ensuring your room stays warm and cozy. This control enables you to create the perfect atmosphere for relaxation, reading, or entertaining guests. Number 5. Convenient remote control. The included remote control, powered by 2 AAA batteries, allows you to operate most functions from anywhere in the room. With the remote, you can adjust the flame speed and flame brightness and turn the log set on or off without getting up from your comfortable spot. Number 6. Safety first. Safety is a top priority with this electric log set heater. It features overheat protection, which means that if the unit detects excessive heat, it will instantly shut off to prevent overheating. This added safety measure gives you peace of mind while enjoying the cozy warmth and ambience it provides. Number 7. Environmentally friendly and energy efficient. This electric log set heater is not only efficient, but also eco-friendly. It operates with energy-saving LED technology and emits zero hazardous byproducts, making it a greener heating option compared to traditional wood-burning fireplaces. You can enjoy the beauty of a fire without contributing to air pollution. Number 8. Fully assembled and ready to use. No need to worry about complex installation or assembly. This electric log set heater comes fully assembled and ready to use. Simply place it in your existing fireplace, plug it in, and start enjoying the warmth and ambience it offers. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 8.66 inches, depth by 20.5 inches, width by 12 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 5 reasons to buy. Efficient 4,600 BTU zone heating for up to 400 feet. Eliminates the mess of firewood in existing fireplaces. Realistic and mesmerizing flame effect. Flame effect can be used independently of heat. Adjustable thermostat for personalized comfort. 1 reason not to buy. Flame effect may not suit all decor styles. Conclusion. The Duraflame electric log set heater offers a delightful and hassle-free way to enjoy the warmth and charm of a fireplace in your home. With its realistic flame effect, temperature control, and safety features, it provides both comfort and peace of mind. Whether you're looking to supplement your heating or simply enhance the ambience of your living space, this log set heater is an excellent choice. Its energy efficiency and eco-friendliness make it a responsible option for those who care about the environment. Plus, the included remote control and easy setup add to its overall convenience. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.